Welcome to Model 2 Giving Clear Instructions. Tesha Nursulu, giving clear instructions to the class. Learning objectives. By the end of the lesson, pupils will be able to talk about New Year celebrations in different countries. Step 1. Introduce the topic. Before giving the instructions, teachers should introduce the topic in order to avoid the chaos. Class, today we will talk about the New Year around the world. So the topic is about New Year around the world. Next step 2. Next, teacher should model the conversation or a task. Is a New Year national or international holiday in Uzbekistan? And why? Teacher demonstrates general knowledge of New Year celebration in different countries. Aziza, could you answer please? Yes, New Year is international holiday because it is celebrated around the world. Here teacher models the conversation in the task. Here modeling the task to the class. Next step, forming pair work. Work in pairs and answer the questions. Does everyone have a pair? Teacher should provide everyone with pairs and should ask before starting this activity. Yes. Next step 4. Remind the task one more time before beginning. I'll give you 2 minutes to discuss it in pairs. Just do it. Teacher reminds the task again. Next step 5. Go over the questions. Great job, you did well. Let's listen to others. This time, the teacher should praise all the students by saying, great job, you did well, and etc. Next step 6. Listen to the recording. Listen to the recording and main idea. What's the story about? Let's start. First, students listen to the general idea. Next, here is the script, DVD script of the recording. Listen once more. This time, take notes. Students listen second time for specific information. Next step 7, comprehension check. Can anyone tell us what the story is about? Tom, can you tell us? Yes, it's about New Year. Good job. Next step 8, forming pair work comprehension check. True false activity to reinforce the listening task. Work in pairs. On your worksheets there are 5 sentences. Find true and false ones. Teacher hands out the worksheets. There are 5 sentences. They should circle true and false sentences. And after checking, this time teacher should write on the board the answers and should check with the class. And then if it's necessary, they can correct the false sentences. Next step 9, time announcement. Teacher should always announce the time. Now I'll give you 5 minutes to do the task with your partner. Ready, steady, go. This time teacher monitors the class and gives an assistance. Sometimes gives time warning like 2 minutes left, 1 minute left. The last step 10, comprehension check. Next, time is up. Does any pair want to answer? Raise your hand if you are ready. While students read the sentences, teacher writes answers on the board, then checks with the class, give positive feedback. The lesson is over. Thanks for your attention.